listen to this for a moment. In just 10 minutes, you'll be able to play it too, even if you never touched a piano before. Today, we'll cover the basics, how to find the notes, play chords, and how to avoid the biggest beginner mistakes. And by the end, you'll be able to play this beautiful song. So let's jump right in. Look up any group of 3 black keys. Touch the middle black key, then slide to the white key on its right. That white key is A. Try with me. Look for any group of 3 black keys. Touch the middle black key, then slide to the white key on its right. This is A. From A, the notes go like the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Good job. All right, so let's play a game. I say a note and count down from 3 to 0, and you name the note. Place your left index finger on A. Let me remove the letters. And with your right hand, you play the note that I'm calling, okay? Ready? Okay, find D. 3, 2, 1. That's D. Okay, next, find F. 3, 2, 1. This is F. Next, find C. 3, 2, 1. This is C. Next, find E. 3, 2, 1. Here's E. Next, find G. 3, 2, 1. Here's G. Next, find B. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, here's B. Okay, next, find A. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's A. Correct, the one where we had the pointer. Good job! Try with me is the best way to learn. So let's keep going. You've learned the notes. Now let's start with our first exercise. Follow me and we'll be making real music right away. Place your left pinky finger on A and your thumb on E. And we play A, E, A, E. 4 times together, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Nice and steady. Perfect. For exercise 2, it's right hand time. We put our thumb on C, middle finger on E. And we play C, E, C, E for 4 times. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! For exercise number 3, let's combine them. The left hand plays A, E, and the right hand plays C, E. And it goes like left pinky, left thumb, right middle finger. A, E, C, E. And we'll do this for 4 times together. Ready? So 1, A, E, and 4. A, E, C, E. Great! You're making real music now, because check this out. When I play this a little faster, it sounds like this. We'll get there in a second. First, let's go on with exercise 4. For exercise 4, everything stays the same except the right hand switches from E to pointer finger D. So the left hand plays A, E, and the right hand C, D. Let's do this together for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, nice and steady, and 4. Great job! For exercise 5, we combine these 2 parts. First, we play these notes 2 times, then we play these notes 2 times. We go slow and then a bit faster. So let's start. 1, 2. Now let's switch to pointer finger. 1, 2. Now let's back to middle finger. 1 and 2. Now back to pointer finger. Let's try this a little faster. Now pointer. Back to middle finger. Now pointer. Now let's press the pedal so the notes are melting a little together, blending. Wow, we're getting there, closer and closer. First, you can be very proud. There's a small applause for you. Great job. Let's go on with the next exercise. And it's about to get so much more beautiful. First, we need to focus on the left hand. So, we play the notes A, E, and then the left hand goes 2 wide keys down, 1, 2, to F, C. And we play it like this. A, E, A, E, then F, C, F, C. That's it. Let's do this together for 4 times. Ready? 1, F, C, F, C, and 2, A, E, down to F, C, F, C, and 3, A, E, down to F, C, F, C. Last time, A, E, F, C, F, C. Perfect! So, this will soon become super beautiful in just a moment. But if you love what you're learning right now, I have something extra special for you. Because I offer a free piano crash course for beginners with step-by-step lessons and an ebook packed with chord charts and secret tips. And you also get a bonus course for advanced players. It's for free right now. So all you need to do is pause the video, click the link below and go to my website werdemusiker.com. You can sign up there with your first name and email address. It's completely for free. I recommend that you pause the video now, grab that real quick, and then come back to the video. I wait for 3 seconds, and then we put everything together. Okay, great. So, welcome back. I hope you got this. Time to pull all together. First, we play A, E, C, E. Then we play A, E, C, D. Then we switch back to A, E, C, E. Next, we do the same, but the left hand goes down to F and C. Then we play this 2 times, this 2 times, and back this 2 times. And that's it. The left hand goes up. So these are our notes, but we will play them as we did before. And let's start together. Real quick, you will make it. I promise it's worth it. So let's start. A, E, C, E. Again, A, E, C, E. Now A, E, C, D. Again, A, E, C, D. Now back to E, A, E, C, E. One more time, A, E. Now's the time. The left hand goes down, the right hand plays the same. C, E, F, C, C, E. Now pointer finger, F, C, C, D. Again, F, C, C, D. Left hand goes up, A, E, C, and we're starting from scratch. Pointer finger, the right hand. Right hand goes to middle finger. The left hand goes down. Two times. Pointer finger. Again. And middle finger. So let me play the song faster, and then I have even 2 more chords for you that sound even more beautiful. So let me play it faster. Left hand goes down, right hand plays the same. And that's it. Let me repeat this one more time. Left hand goes down, middle finger, pointer finger, middle finger, pointer finger. So, and you just learned this beautiful song and 2 beautiful chords. But next, I have 2 more chords for you that are even more beautiful. And then you'll have 4 magic chords, enough to play thousands of hit songs. For example, My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion, Another Love by Tom Odell, Despacito, Sonata Facile by Mozart, River Flows in You by Yuruma, Faded by Alan Walker, You're Not Alone by Michael Jackson, Perfect by Ed Sheeran, Blank Space by Taylor Swift, Oops, I Did It Again by Britney Spears, and Let It Be by the Beatles. Yes, they all share the same secret pattern. It's easier than you think. Simply click here to learn these 4 magic chords. This will let you play all those famous songs and so much more.